Safety in the workplace has greatly evolved throughout the centuries. Let's explore this evolution. The condition of safety at workplaces was notably poor for much of the 19th and early 20th centuries. During this period, rapid industrialization led to the proliferation of factories and hazardous working conditions. Safety regulations were either non-existent or poorly enforced, resulting in frequent accidents and a lack of concern for worker well-being. The foundation of safety at the workplace was laid with the establishment of the Factory Act of 1833 in Massachusetts, which aimed to regulate child labor and working conditions. In 1970, the establishment of the Occupational Safety and Health Act, OSHA, marked a significant turning point, ushering in an era of heightened attention to workplace safety in the United States. Safety at the workplace has come a long way from the days of little or no precautions. Today, employers must actively train their employees on how to safely use tools and equipment at the workplace. Yet we come across news of work fatalities due to oversight or lack of knowledge about these safety procedures. Let's watch some scenarios.
I was working on a project and I needed to move some heavy materials using a forklift. I thought I could cut corners. I didn't put on my hard hat and I didn't secure the load properly. It was a foolish decision, but I was in a hurry. When I started lifting the load, it shifted unexpectedly. I lost control, I couldn't react in time. The load came crashing down and I was pinned. It was excruciating. My arm was broken and I sustained multiple injuries. I was lucky it wasn't worse.
It was a regular day at work. I was picking ripe fruits from the trees using an orchard ladder. We use the tripod orchard ladders for picking fruits. The third leg is designed to penetrate into soft soil. I was doing it in the correct way until I reached the last tree. I thought it would be easier to reach through the tree to the other side by setting the ladder on the concrete surface. I set up the ladder, but without anchoring the third leg properly. Since the third leg was unable to penetrate the concrete surface, as I climbed up on the ladder, my weight caused the third leg to start spreading and slide out. I tried grabbing the branches, but it was too late, and fell down onto the concrete and broke my leg.
The scenarios illustrate how negligence and insufficient knowledge can pose serious risks. This leads to an important question. Does safety awareness really protect workers' lives? Yes, it does. If John had followed the safety procedures and Sarah been aware of the appropriate ladder, the injuries could have been avoided. Let's acquire some essential information on safety awareness in different situations. Let's dive right in.